Harry's Kitchen. Happy New Year to everybody, and today I am here with a really quick video on how I usually make spring greens, which is my veggie, and some mince together. It's like a Zim, I wouldn't say delicacy, but it's like one thing that we usually have in Zim. And usually people like always use mince for like bolognese or for lasagna and like different other things, but literally if you're Zim and you haven't had this combo, or if you're from any other African country or you know any part of the world and you haven't had these two together and you do eat like spring greens, or this is, well, in England they'll sell this as kale, but if you grow your own veggies in the garden, like you have your cavolo or covo or rep but yeah, like literally like these two are fire. You need to fry your mince. Like I don't know why people have like some dead looking mince, like why do you not fry your mince? This has to be like the hero, and then this is an additive, and I'll just be serving that with Sadza. So this is like the main tutorial of how to do combine your mince and veg. Thank you so much for new subscribers. Like we literally like started the year with a bang. So thank you so much for the support, and I will see you guys in my next.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is add some oil to the pan, and you're going to add your mince straight away. Don't put water, guys. Please don't add water. Okay, you're not boiling the mince. They're very, very easy to cook, so do not add water. And the next step that you're going to do now is you're going to be adding all your seasoning that you prefer of your own choice. And I'm going to put seasoned oil, which is all-purpose seasoning, some ground ginger, okay, so the next thing I'm adding is a tiny bit of black pepper, some aromat, of course, why not? And this cube, you're going to add half of it if you need it when you put the veg in. Okay, so always taste your seasoning. This cube is very salty, so make sure you add your seasoning, that cube, if you need it. If you don't need it, do not add it. So you need to be tasting your food. Okay, you need to just keep stirring and separating your mince. You don't want it to be clustered, and it just literally needs to be like hundreds and thousands that you use for baking. It literally needs to be separate and golden brown. Do not serve mince that looks dead. Okay, make sure it's all brown and nice, and paprika also helps with that color, but I didn't have any. Whilst your mince is frying, you wash and cut your veg. I have kale today, which is a bit darker, so when I'm plating you're going to notice I have a bit of dark veg. And when the mince is cooked and you're satisfied with it, just start adding your onions if you like onions. If you don't, just skip this step. And your tomatoes. Okay, just keep adding those tomatoes, not too much because you don't want it to be a stew. You want it sort of to be, you know, juicy when you add the veg. And for me, this is optional. I'm going to add some royco or gravy powder and add some hot water to that and just pour it in the mince, but not a lot. This is the point where I add water, but it's because I want the veg to be juicy when I serve it in the end. Okay, just leave the tomatoes and onions to cook, and when you're satisfied and tasted your food, because you're gonna need more seasoning if it's not enough at this point, so make sure you taste at this point, and you start adding your veg gradually, so you don't put too much because you want the ratios to be just right. Okay, so usually when you're having pap or sadza with this dish, you usually don't add another like sort of meat product after. So this is why I say you need to get the ratios right, because this would be a meal, a full meal. There wouldn't be any extra chicken or beef or pork on the side. This would literally be it. This is how we had it back home, because remember, this mince is beef and beef is meat. So this is just you know, a different take on it. So make sure your veg is cooked, guys, and when you're satisfied with everything, you're literally ready to go. It's all cooked and done. So I'm just gonna start plating. I started filming in the afternoon, so the lighting at this point, this was 6 p.m, was very dark, and I had to use the kitchen lights, which are very warm toned, so just excuse my lighting, guys. It looks better than this. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me plate the food, and that's it, guys. This was a really quick video on how you can do your sadza and veg and mince, or sadza mavegine and mince, and then have your what we call Haifiridzi. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Bye.
Unandangariro dzondibaya kuva musi watakarangana kuti tichave tose, asi ini patangu mumoyo mangu ndatadza kugadzikika naka ndo